Diving outdoor is never easy. This time it's been particularly difficult. But at least I got one. Me and Sam are here at Miami-Dade because...
Dímelo!
What was it?
Dímelo!
I don't know what that means.
It's like,
Anyway.
it's like Cubans, when they answer the phone, they're like, Dímelo, Bobby.
Oh, I had no idea.
It means like, it's like, what's up?
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, try it.
Anyway.
Go ahead, give it a shot.
Dímelo.
There.
No?
One more time.
Dímelo.
No, dímelo.
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 Dímelo. Anyway.
Say it to Dario when you say hi to him. He'll be like,
Because the pool in Miami is a bit screwed up still. Oh, I see what you mean about the 1 meter.
Yeah.
That's very downhill.
Oh, that one's, no, we don't use that 1 meter.
Oh, okay.
That one's different.
All right.
That one's like crappy. So we use the, I don't know, the good outside 1 meter, then we have 1 3 meter, and then 5
Yeah.
and 10. No 7.
That's all you need. This morning I had a really good session at Miami-Dade where we have to train because we're still not quite allowed to get in the UM pool just yet. But right now I'm just coming to the weights gym to do my S&C program. This week Miami Hurricanes just beat Florida State University, which is where the British team are right now. They beat them in one of the biggest rivalries in college football history. And basically this is the gym where all the football players work out, so a lot of money has probably been spent on this gym, so the football players have got the best facilities that they can get, and I get to use it for a little while, which is why I'm wearing the UM kind of gear, because I'm only allowed to work out in this. You're not supposed to be in there with other uniform on, so representing UM. Peace. We've just finished our session at Miami-Dade. The pool's very, very simple. We've just got 1 meter, 1 3 meter, 5 meter, 10 meter, no 3 meter platform, no 7 meter. I mean, it's pretty much exactly what you need, you know what I mean? It's not really an awful lot else you need in a training pool. Day 4 in Miami, and I might as well just be back home because look at this rain. weather's terrible. We can't get in the pool at the moment because of a lightning warning. So we just kind of started doing dry land. So after about an hour and a half of waiting around on the poolside, just stretching and warming up and stretching and cooling down and then warming up again and then stretching and then warming up, we were finally able to get in the water. So I did my pool session and now it's time for a quick change and then I'll be on my way to the weights gym so I can do another weight session, the second one of the week. Ugh, that is going to look so cheesy, but I'll use it anyway. Oh well.